Wrap your presents, whether you use wrapping paper, a tin, recycled material from Amazon packages, a plain box, a plain bag, decorative holiday bag, or simply wrap the present directly. These tags make a great addition. Okay, so we have some of the scraps left over from the ornaments that I was just making. And what I'm going to do is just show you how I make some quick gift tags. I simply just cut some little pieces of it, however big I feel like cutting it, and give it a little bit of a shape, sort of like this. And you can cut a bunch of those up, and they can all be different shapes, whatever you feel like doing, however the bark works for you. You just cut it up into little pieces, and they could be any size you want, big or small. All right. Then I simply take a hole puncher and you just punch a hole in the end of each one, like so. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can use an awl, you can use anything else to make the holes. Now you have a whole bunch of tags. And then I like to wood burn it, but you don't have to, and I'll show you. You can simply use a Sharpie marker and simply write a name on it. It's like Christina. And it still comes out awesome. Okay? I like to wood burn it because then it's always a little tag, but even with the Sharpie marker, it still comes out really nice. And this is a tag from my daughter Christina for Christmas. I'll put this on one of her gifts. Last little touch is to take a little piece of twine. I just tie my little piece of twine like this. A little knot at the end. A little knot. Even that out. And then this end goes in. And then the knotted end goes through a tag. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.